Namaskar. Good evening to all media friends. This is Narasimhan, XMP and President for Indian Solar Association. I am very happy to meet all of you today in Hyderabad in this conference. This is a special type of conference encouraging and motivating all the people, those who involved in the solar sector, renewable energy sector. All you know very well, our Honorable Prime Minister target is to reach 500 gigawatt by 2030. This is a milestone and step forward to reach the target. So everywhere our EQ international these people are arranging a solar conference every state and every place. So they are collecting all the forces in the country, in the states, to encourage the solar sector. So today is a milestone and happy to see that Hyderabad has witnessed a good gathering. This gathering is from Hyderabad and as well Andhra Pradesh and as well as Telangana. Hope recently the new policy is coming out for Telangana. Draft policy is already there. They are going to discuss how to move further about solar achievements.
Myself, Ashok Kumar Singh, President Solar Novasis Energy Limited from Nagpur, which is central largest solar panel manufacturer. And I am proud to be associated with EQ magazine and for this witnessing this wonderful event today. And I believe a lot of people have been benefited today and will take it forward from here and achieving the goals set by the Prime Minister today. EQ magazine is the oldest and the authentic magazine, I would say. They have been wonderfully covering solar industries since last, I would say, 15 years.
Yeah, I'm Colonel Girish Juneja. I'm from Frere Energy Private Limited. We are basically in residential solar rooftop sector. We are leading the number of installations in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Recently, we have come up with a very innovative experience center, and we have plans to come up with 6 more centers in the coming months. Discoms across all the states to simplify their net metering processes and make it easier for the customer as well as for the installing companies to set up and achieve these targets. Thank you very much.